I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing. Yep, I'm going on a trip. So I will be fishing on Thursday. I will not be in the school with you, and I will let you know how many fish we catch. Anyway, I sent you an update just now. It says, students, on Thursday, May 20th, I will be gone fishing. Yes, I will not be in school. Why? I'm going fishing. So Miss Lisa will stay with you with the in-person kids in my classroom. So tomorrow we'll have a lot of kids in the classroom. And so yeah, you'll just stay there. You can do your work in the classroom. Thank you, Miss Lisa. Distance learners, there's not going to be a Zoom on Thursday, so you can do the work on your own. And if you need help, you can always email Miss Lisa. Her name is Lisa Spreck. Okay. If you get stuck on the work, don't stress about it. We can always, I can also help you next week on it if you get stuck doing it by yourself. Don't worry. But let's see what the work is for tomorrow. Okay, so we're in the week 10 folder, Thursday, May 20th, food in the Midwest notes. Okay, so let's see what we're doing. We have a do now, then food in the Midwest video notes. Then you can take a break. Then there's food in the Midwest text notes. Yes, there's 2 notes. So you're going to turn in 2 different assignments. One is called video notes. The other is text notes. For the video notes, you download it here, and I'll show you what it looks like. Video notes. Okay. The video notes looks like this, okay? So you're going to watch a video. Let's see where the video is. The video is in Schoology. The video is right here, Foods in the Midwest video. You're going to learn about some of the foods we eat in the Midwest. You'll learn hot dish, Cincinnati chili, fried cheese curds, toasted ravioli, that looks good, and then gooey butter cake. We will learn about those foods. The notes you have to take is where is it from, and then what is it? What are the ingredients? So what is inside of this hot dish, or what is inside of this chili? Some of the food might sound yummy to you. Some of it might sound kind of nasty. So at the end, I'm asking you a few questions. Which of these foods would you like to try? And which foods sound not so yummy to you? Which ones sound kind of gross? Okay, this is the first set of notes. You get this assignment. You watch the video. It's right here. Okay, let's see what the video looks like. Up-a-da. Come on, YouTube, you can do it. You can do it.
Today on Taste.
Okay. This is the video. These people are doing a taste test. I would like to have their job. Anyway, that's half of the work. When you do that, time for a little break. You're all good. You did half of the work. What is the other half? Okay, the other half is food in the Midwest text notes. The text notes. This is a new assignment. Turn it in. It looks like this. All right, you know you're in the right spot if you see a giant, delicious hot dog. So for this part, you're going to read, and like we've been doing, we've been underlining the key words. And then in here, I'd like you to write the food. You'll learn about some food in the Midwest. Then you'll learn about food that comes from Sweden and food that comes from Germany. And so I'd like you to write the German food here, the Swedish food here, and the Midwest food here. You're almost done. There's only one more part. Got some questions at the end. Page 2, we have to learn about Chicago-style pizza. I mean, come on. So we'll learn about food from Chicago. You can write the notes down here. And then food from Kansas City, Missouri, you can write the notes down here. Then you submit these notes. These are called Food in the Midwest text notes. So let's be very clear. You're turning in 2 papers or 2 assignments today. One is called Foods from the Midwest video notes. The other is Food in the Midwest text notes. Those are the only 2 assignments I need you to do. You're probably going to finish early. If you finish early, you can celebrate and be like, ooh, I'm so hungry because I spent all day learning about food. Then, a smart thing to do would be to take the quiz really quickly because you'll probably remember a lot. I think I've put like 7 questions on this quiz. This quiz is technically in the Friday folder, but it's open so you can start it now. Okay, I will be thinking about you when I'm in my fishing boat catching those big fish, hopefully. And I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.